Welcome back. While insert_1 is useful, applications often need to store many records efficiently. This is where the insert_many method comes in. It allows us to insert multiple documents with a single call to MongoDB. 1. Defining multiple documents. To use insert_many, we must provide a list of dictionaries. Notice the flexibility here. The first document has a phone field, but the second does not. MongoDB's flexible schema allows this without any issues. We define a list name, customer_list, containing 3 unique customer dictionaries. 2. Executing insert_many. We call the insert_many method on our collection object and pass the list of documents. The operation returns an insert_many result object, which is slightly different from the insert_1 result. The insert_result.inserted_ids attribute now holds a list of the unique _id values generated by MongoDB for all 3 new documents. 3. The _id field generation. If you do not explicitly include the _id field in your Python dictionary, MongoDB automatically generates a unique object ID for each document, which is what happened here. If you choose to supply your own unique identifier, MongoDB will use it instead, provided it does not already exist. To summarize, we can now efficiently insert one or many documents into MongoDB. Our next lecture 30.08. Read. See you there.